Hey everyone, I'm LuChin. Today's lifestyle offers us a lot of convenience and comfort, but it doesn't help us to sleep better. In today's video, I'm going to show you ancient techniques to help you fall asleep faster. This is the first episode in our relieve through your fingertips theories. I'll be showing you is a therapy in traditional Chinese medicine, known as pushing the heavenly gate. It has been used for thousands of years and is used in Chinese hospitals today as a supplemental treatment. At home, before you go to bed, practice pushing the heavenly gate to get to sleep quickly and sleep more deeply. Take two of your fingers, place them right in the middle between your eyebrows. That is the ren tongue, a meridian or acupuncture point in the governing channel of the body. The same location is also commonly known as the third eye in yoga. Use the pad of your fingers. Draw small circles and massage the center of your forehead all the way to your hairline. And then repeat. Remember to breathe softly but deeply. As soon as you start, you will get a sense of ease in your heart. The thoughts occupying your mind will become less intense, because your fingers are stimulating the superficial nerve endings. This improves the blood circulation, it calms the central nervous system, and triggers the release of neurochemicals that deeply relax the body and the mind. Massage the center of your forehead 3 to 5 minutes before you go to sleep, usually within a minute. It is about 8 to 10 times. Moving the fingers upwards, you will become sleepy. Your heart will relax, and there might be a tingling sensation inside of your nose, and your eyes might start to water, and you might begin yawning. This works for most people. If you wake up in the middle of the night and found you're having trouble falling back to sleep, and repeat this technique again. If you are going to take a nap during the day, especially when you want to feel energized and productive, pushing the heavenly gate technique might put you into a much deeper sleep than your desire for a quick nap during the day. So instead, I'm going to teach you the clearing the ridge by using 2 fingers or a knuckle on each side. Massage along the ridge, the meridian points, just above the eyebrows all the way to your temples. Among other health benefits, these techniques will help you get a better rest. For those of us who have struggled with insomnia, myself included, I found these ancient self-care techniques are very helpful. Pay close attention to your breath. When you wake up in the middle of the night, your breath might become rapid and heartbeat faster. That is because you are anxious to get back to sleep, but the mind has become stressed over not able to fall back to sleep. In this situation, practice both pushing the heavenly gate and clearing the ridges. Do so very tenderly. Let your fingers lightly glide over your skin as if you are touching the wings of a butterfly, gently and lovingly. Give yourself some love and have compassion for yourself. And say it to yourself quietly. I am relaxing. I am calm. I am resting. and I am nurturing myself. When applying these practices, even if it doesn't put you right back to a deep sleep, but it will give you non-sleep deep rest, or NSDR. A acronym has been coined by neurologist and Professor Huberman at Stanford University. The deep yawning, this self-massage induced, will put your body and mind into a deep state of relaxation. When you yawn, you breathe more deeply. The oxygen level in the blood goes up. At the same time, the waste carbon dioxide level are reduced. Research in recent years has indicated that yawning stimulates the release of dopamine, which activates oxytocin, the pleasure and relationship bonding chemicals in the brain. Yawning rewires your neuromuscular system, which resets the body's internal clock. As you can see, all creatures yawn. It is a process that helps the body to renew and recover that's necessary for survival. So practice these ancient techniques to help yourself, to help your body to renew and recover. From my own experience in coping and overcoming insomnia, good sleep hygiene is extremely important. I have to cut electronics by 7 p.m. in order to unwind. In addition, get into a habit of viewing natural sunlight at around the time of sunrise and sunset. That helps to set your circadian rhythm properly. You can tune into Huberman's podcast or videos on this topic. I will attach a link to Professor Huberman's video in the comment section. He explains the whole science behind it. In future episodes, I will share more tips and different techniques to relax the body that helps with insomnia. Thank you for tuning in today. Please leave your questions and comments in the box below. I would love to hear how this is helping you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. Thank you and sweet dreams. Bye for now.